Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best cordless vacuum cleaners this year, you're in the right place. A powerful, lightweight, and reliable vacuum can completely change the way you clean your home. No more dragging around cords or dealing with weak suction. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is actually worth your money? Do you need longer battery life? More suction power? A vacuum that's perfect for pet hair? I've done the research and narrowed it down to the top 5 cordless vacuums you can get right now. And of course, I'm saving the absolute best for last, so stick around to see which one takes the top spot. Let's get started. Number 5, Bissell CleanView 10R Pet Cordless Vacuum. Starting off at number 5, we've got the Bissell CleanView 10R Pet Cordless Vacuum, a fantastic choice for pet owners who are tired of fur all over their home. Fur Brush Pro technology digs deep into carpets and upholstery to remove stubborn pet hair. Smart Seal allergen system traps fine dust and allergens, keeping the air cleaner. Up to 40 minutes of runtime, so you can cover large areas without recharging. Weighs only 5.9 pounds, making it one of the lightest vacuums on the list. Now, while this vacuum is amazing for pet hair, it doesn't quite have the raw power of some of the higher-end models. If you're looking for longer battery life and stronger suction, check out the next one. Number 4, LG CordZero A913 Cordless Stick Vacuum. At number 4, we have the LG CordZero A913. If you want long battery life and premium performance, this one is a great option. Up to 80 minutes of runtime thanks to its dual rechargeable batteries. Adjustable telescopic wand, making it easy to clean under furniture and reach high areas. Certified HEPA filtration system, which captures fine dust and allergens. Multiple cleaning attachments so you can tackle different surfaces with ease. This vacuum is perfect for anyone who needs extra battery life and versatility. But if you're into high-tech vacuums with smart features, you're gonna love the next one. Number 3, Samsung Bespoke Jet AI Complete. All right. Moving up to number 3, we've got the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI Complete, a cordless vacuum that's loaded with smart technology and serious power. Up to 250 W of suction power, making it one of the strongest cordless vacuums out there. AI-powered cleaning mode, which automatically adjusts suction based on the surface. Self-emptying dustbin station, so you never have to manually empty it. 5-stage HEPA filtration, removing 99.99% of allergens and fine dust particles. Jet dual brush, designed for both hard floors and carpets. If you love high-tech features and hands-free maintenance, this vacuum is a dream. But if you want something that delivers premium performance without the premium price tag, the next one might be a better fit. Number 2, Shark Cordless PowerDetect Clean. Empty system coming in at number 2, we've got the Shark Cordless PowerDetect Tone, of the most versatile and powerful vacuums on the market right now. PowerFin's brush technology digs deep into carpets while also picking up debris on hard floors. Auto-adjust suction power, meaning it detects dirt levels and adjusts for the best cleaning performance. Up to 50 minutes of battery life, so you can clean an entire home on a single charge. Advanced HEPA filtration system, trapping fine dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Self-cleaning brush roll, so you don't have to deal with tangled hair and debris buildup. If you have pets, thick carpets, or just want a vacuum that adapts to your home's needs, this is a fantastic choice. But now, it's time for the best cordless vacuum of the year. And finally, my number 1 pick, Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum. Here it is, the absolute best cordless vacuum this year, the Dyson V15 Detect. If you want the most powerful, smartest, and most advanced cordless vacuum, this is the one to get. Laser dust detection system, it literally highlights dust on hard floors so you can see what you're vacuuming. 262 AW of suction power, making it Dyson's strongest cordless vacuum ever. Up to 60 minutes of runtime so you can clean your whole house without stopping. Smart LCD screen, displaying battery life, suction power, and even the amount of dust you're picking up. Advanced HEPA filtration, capturing 99.99% of microscopic particles and allergens. Dyson has been leading the cordless vacuum industry for years, and the V15 Detect is proof that they're still on top. If you want the best of the best, this is the one to get. And that's it, the top 5 best cordless vacuums this year. Whether you need a quick and easy handheld vacuum, a high-tech AI-powered vacuum, or the absolute best Dyson model available, this list has something for everyone. Which vacuum do you think is the best? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews, cleaning tips, and the best home tech recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.